No promises whatsoever.
That's not what he said last night.
Oh, what? Oh. I've never seen this. What are you?
No, my fucking God, furry drama.
This cat before in my life.
It looks like somebody has seen her before, and I'm thinking maybe it was one of you.
That's what DNA
Say maybe about 8
That's what she is.
months
I think
and
she ate
4
too much
weeks
potato
ago.
soup.
I'll see you on Geraldo.
Bring it.
Y'all keep it up. Y'all just keep this much in honor of my family, and we're gonna be held to pay.
Beef merch. I beef merch.
Get on up there.
Hey, kid.
I was promised artwork for my wedding picture.
Oh.
You sure I'm not? That's my artwork. A lady.
This supposed to be the finest day in my little girl's life, and what do we get? A bunch of nosy paparazzi?
Look at them out there. They're just enjoying all this.
And a bunch of guys who just deny what they done. I ain't having it. I've had it. We're going to find out who's responsible. We're going to do the right thing.
Shut them in.
Daddy, there he is. Daddy, right there.
That's the one knocked you up and down? That's what the rest of them said.
We did more positions than the Kama Sutra. Hell, we invented a couple.
That's right.
I did thanks to him that he still can't explain.
I'm a hair.
No, you changed sex mid because
No,
you
I
started
did
out liking me
not.
when I was a boy.
No, well, you still a little boy, right, Paul?
And you sounded like Jerry's kids.
What?
Oh!
See, he remembers that.
He does remember. He remembers more than some of them do.
We need to find ourselves a constable to have us married.
Where's my ring?
Here.
Yes, Cleveland, yes, I will. I've been waiting so long.
This one I don't got to shoot.
Yes!
Oh, son. Oh, my God.
Daddy, I think I've been thinking it wasn't him. No.
You wish it was.
I got better taste than that.
And I just got my nails did for you.
Girlfriend did too, for real.
Wow.
How you turn around on the cougar. Yeah, that's right. Coyote style, baby.
Nice. All right.